Crude oil and net gas opened with a gap down opening, and now we have seen a greater crash here, specifically in net gas, which is now seen 3.25 levels. We have discussed few hours back in our Asia and Europe session update that first, if you see net gas below 3.29 levels, you can take a sell, expect 3.25, 3.24 as a very good support zone. While it is oil, which has also seen a good dip, but yet to break below the critical support zone at 73.8, and yes, below that only we can confirm more bearishness. So, can we expect oil to drop more? Can we expect oil to breathe the threshold at 73.4, 73.5, and move towards 72.5 and lower? And net guess how low it can take? Everything we're gonna see with the help of charts and indicators. This is the second update for the day, and this is the only channel to give you two updates a day with detailed analysis and logical level. The subscribe, press the bell icon, do like, share, and comment. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Let's start first to look into oil, followed with gas. Now see what oil did today. It has given a gap down. It has moved towards 75. Now moving towards 75, now it is trying to reverse again. Thus it confirms that it is not willing to trade bullish. And yes, as we have discussed earlier, that 75, 76 is the zone where you are going to see maximum resistance on the upside. Hitting the zone, it is now trying to drop again. So now if you see oil trading below 73.8, the higher price below 73.8, if you see, and we are very close to it. Yes, below this you can take a sell, expect 73.5 levels, and below 73.5 is where you can expect more correction. Stochastic dropping here, MACD trying to converge, and possibly a crossover here can confirm a reversal, but right now it is in green. RSI looking downwards, it is also trading with moderate bearishness. Coming to 2 hour, on the 2 hour chart, similar observation here, hitting lower highs, trying to reverse. Just let it break below 73.8 and 73.5 levels. You can expect it to move towards C. Also notice these are the two channels which are in place right now, and this is the first one. So now we have to wait for it to stay below 72.8 in order to confirm a greater correction towards 72 and lower levels. Right now I do not see such a strong bearish momentum prevailing here in crude oil. The moving averages though are trading with divergence and are staying bearish. And now notice on the upside, 75, 76 is the zone which it needs to break in order to confirm a reversal. Stock I see comfortable here. The MACD, after hitting the lows, it is trading with a crossover and playing here and around the bottom. So wait for it to diverge, which will confirm the reversal. The RSI is also traded with slight drop. Coming to the 3 on the 3 hour charts, the observation is similar. Look at the preceding candle, comes with a bigger wick and closing at the bottom. Now what may happen, it is starting with a dip, it can reverse. Now reversal means it can again move towards 75. As you can see, this is the reversal sign in crude oil, and now after the reversal, one bullish candle retracement and the second one might follow here. So now if you see it is staying above 74.2, the lower price above 74.2, you can buy, expect 74.5, which is the first major resistance, and then 75, the second one. Beyond 75 is where you can see the bullishness taking over, the bulls taking over. Expected to move towards 75.4 and 76 levels. Beyond that, anyways, it's a reversal. Stochastic rising, the MACD also has hit a bottom. It is staying there at the bottom. It is not willing to rise. I will wait for it to deliver divergent, and once it starts to diverge, certainly you can say that this is a reversal. RSI is staying flat. Coming to 4, likewise on the 4 hour charts, remember double bottom it is showing, flat bottom it is showing here. None of the candles are willing to close below 73.8, and it is trying to recover. Now once it stays above 74.2, you can again stay bullish, though the crossover in the moving averages is on the bearish side, but you can also see a good consolidation here which calls for it to reverse, and any move beyond 75 and 76 is a sign of reversal. Yes, if it can drop sharp, it can rise sharp as well. Stochastic is flat while MACD is almost bottomed here. Wait for it to cross over and diverge in order to confirm a reversal. RSI is flat here. Coming to the day, on the daily charts, what it has done, it has moved towards 20 period, and see what it is doing. If you look at the last few candles, lower highs, lower lows are seen. Now 50 period sitting at 73 is going to be the next important support. If at all oil shows a move below 73.5, then you can say that the bears are taking over and we can expect a further drop. Else what is happening, notice bigger the rise, bigger the drop. That is what is happening. It has shown a good rise, it is retracing here, and now after the retracement, after series of bearish candle, now is the time for oil to post a recovery. That is what is my expectation, but yes, it is showing a greater struggle at 75-76 zone, which it needs to break in order to confirm a reversal. Stochastic oversold. MACD has crossed over, trading with divergence, trading bearish, looking downwards. This is not a good sign for the bulls, and it is still not much of room on the downside. RSI has dropped. Now, before I provide you the levels, if you want to learn this art of trading, join my mentorship batch. And if you just want to trade as per the signals, be a part of my signals channel on Telegram. Connect with me, write an email, ping me or Telegram for your queries. And if you're looking forward to a broker which offers you a swap-free account with lowest spreads and no hidden charges, easier transactions and easier withdrawals from across the globe, you can find the recommended broker link also in the channel and video description. Considering this, my only buying recommendation for oil is at 74.2 levels. When you see the lower price, exclude the spreads, only see if the lower price, if you see it is staying above 74.2, you can buy. Expect 74.4, 74.5, very near, but yes, the stronger support resistance here, while the second target is going to be towards 75. Any move beyond 75, remember, any move beyond 75 is a good call for oil to head towards 75.4 and 76, which will be the confirmation of reversal. On the downside now, even if you see it is staying below 73.75, 73.8, the higher price to be below 73.75, 73.8, there you can sell and expect 73.5, 73.4 as the first target zone. And if that is taken, then stay short for 73.1, 73, 72.6, 74, 72.4. And if these two levels are taken, I think the doomsday is not far. We can look forward to 72 and $70 levels very, very soon. Take your trades accordingly. Let's move to natural. Now, see, natural gas, after giving this massive gap down opening, now in the path of recovery. Now, look at the levels from it, which it is coming up. Yes, the same 3.24, 3.25. If you recall, in my earlier update today, I have mentioned how strong is this support, and these are the levels which we had seen in the recent past. Now it is trying to trade above this. So now, if you see natural gas trading above 3.35, that is the only level above which we can expect that the bulls should be taking over. Else, right now it is staying bearish. But if you look at the move here, the bearish candles are smaller, the bullish candles are sharp. It can definitely move towards 3.32, 3.35. Possibility exists is strong. The stochastic rising from the oversold zone. The MACD is also hit the bottom, trying to cross over here. This can lead to reversal. The RSI is also coming out of the oversold zone, which is also a very good sign. On the 2-hour chart, showing a reversal sign. Now, second green candle, just let it stay beyond 3.32. So if you see natural trading above 3.32, buy here and expect 3.35, 3. Now, once 3.4 is taken, that is the point of time you can confirm that the bulls are back, and then specifically it has to trade above 3.5 in order to confirm the complete reversal. Stochastic rising from the oversold, MACD trading divergent and bearish. It may converge. Convergence means couple of greener candles from here means 3.45 possible, 3.4 at least possible. The RSI rising from the oversold zone, coming to on the 3-hour chart. Similar observation here. Yes, higher lows, higher highs. Just let it break here on the upside. This will confirm a reversal here. It means 3.32, 3.35 zone is to be taken, and then you can expect 3.4 as the first target, and then beyond that is where the real bullishness to be seen here. Now, if you notice the formation here, double top is formed, then the drop, retracement, drop. It is trying to retrace means. Now, what does the retracement means here? Whether you should treat this as a reversal. Only and only if you see a move beyond 3.6, you can confirm this as reversal. Else, it is a retracement. Stochastic oversold here. The MACD extremely bearish. The RSI is already at bottom here. On the 4-hour charts, and the observation is more or less same. After this couple of red candle, it is showing signs of reversal, but it is not yet completely confirming. And yes, on the downside now, it is very, very important for net gas to trade below 3.25. If you see it is staying below 3.25, that is the only level below which now I will recommend a sell. Else a possible recovery can be expected where 3.32, 3.35, and in fact beyond this is also possible. But right now the move is very, very subdued here. Yes, it is not showing any strength here. Drop, retracement can be expected right now, and it may try to fill the gap towards 3.5. Let's see. The stochastic definitely is oversold. The MACD extremely bearish. The RSI is at bottom. Coming to the now, look at the daily charts. What did we discuss? 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the fourth attempt by net gas to now break below 3.24, 3.2 zone. Now, see this. These were the three attempts where it has tried to break on the upside, and then once it breached, it is stayed bullish. Now this is the fourth time it is trying to trade bearish here, because below this it can possibly head towards 3.2.94 zone. What is happening here? It has given a gap down, and after this bearishness it is trying to recover. And now see, once it turns green, possibly it may stay green, and we can see 3.4, or in fact 3.45, 3.5 levels as well. Stochastic right now looking downwards. MACD trading with extreme divergence and bearishness looking downwards. The RSI has dropped. So looking at this, very simple, buy at 3.32. Expect it to move towards 3.3536 as the first, 3.4 as the second, 3.45 as the third. And if these three are taken, then ultimately 3.5 will appear, because beyond this is where the real bullishness will be seen. Chances for which appears today very very less, while on the downside a selling entry now I'll recommend is at 3.25 levels, below which you can expect it to move towards the 3.2524, very very good support. Then 3.2 should appear, and if it trades below 3.2, chances will be very very high that 3.12 and $3 levels to be seen as well very soon. Chances, but I do not see that happening, at least today. So take your positions accordingly. Like, share, subscribe and comment. Join my mentorship batch, join my signals channel, reach out to me for your queries, join the free Telegram channel for live updates, and join the channel membership here on YouTube to support the effort. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day. See you again tomorrow with the Asia and Europe session with more updates.